Hey, testing. 1, 2. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Can we, are we live? I believe we are live. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's go. Good morning, Timbo. Jake Dell. Good morning. NP Trader Thor. Black Coffee. Good morning, Black Coffee. Vat Q Tech 111. Garmy, Zugfest, Microplayer, Sean Trader, Francis, good morning. Jack Wiley, good morning. Touchdown, RXHX, Barefoot, Greenback, good morning. Ian Connor, his Royal Trades, Patrick Duran, Trade Ski, Jeremy Shaw, Counterintuitive, Keegan, JD, Dean Bishop, good morning, John. Good morning. Can we please all say a quick prayer for my internet today? Oh my goodness, I'm about to lose my mind on my internet issues. But, knock on wood, hopefully we don't have internet issues. Yesterday, internet issues was the internet provider. I was just not getting any upload speeds whatsoever. So that was the issue yesterday. I don't know. I talked to him and I don't know that I really got any resolution out of it, but basically confirmed that it was on their end. Just pretty annoying. Pretty annoying. I told them, I said, I'm streaming. I can't have this happening. And they said, we apologize for the inconvenience. All right, guys, we are pretty volatile here right before the open. I don't know what's going on. Oh, wait, let's double check. Let's get all this down. All right, I gotta run through my checklist for my trade copier. Give me a minute. All right, micros. We've got that, and that. All right, we are good to go. All checks, all systems. All systems are a go, folks. All systems are a go. Let's do this. Let's have a good day today, folks. Let's have us a good day. Let's get the clock going. We've got the clock, the heart rate monitor going. Everything is ready to roll. All right. Last day for December contracts. Yes, I did. I know. VATQ. Scalping with Tom. Good morning. Barefoot Greenback is the Belgium NBB business climate news. Oh, I see. Good morning, Design Knob. Good morning. Joom is in the building. Oh, let's do this. I don't have AT&T fiber available. I have Xfinity is my internet provider. It's the only option I have. Let's just hope. Let's hope we... Wow, look at this. Ripping higher. That's a joke. Okay. Everyone will be surprised, but Top Step is down. Is Top Step down? Let's see. We should have like a over-under. Will Top Step go down today? There's news at 10. All right, pretty big rip here to the upside, testing the 400s. Let's see if we can get up through the 400s here. Wow, there she goes. It's a ripper day. All right, 420s. This is ripping to the upside here. 425s. Looks like we'll definitely be looking for a long here. Looks like we are definitely looking for the longs. Good morning, the hoodie trader. Good morning. I blew a 150K eval on silver yesterday. You lost 5,500 in about 3 minutes. How many contracts were you trading, Design Knob? I'm not joking. If I have to pass evals, I might use silver to do it. I might just use silver to do it. Wow, look at this go. Look at it go. Let's look at, I want to see the 60-minute chart. I mean, we are definitely above, I don't know, we got to get above the 500s today, I feel like. Wow. Good morning. Good morning, TCM Trades. It's crazy, man. Yeah, we just ripping through. Come on, give us a pullback. Ripping higher, man. Ripping higher. Wow. What a rip higher, man. Wow. Absolute ripper. Look at it go. Three, all the way up through the 460s now. Or testing the 460s. Now we just got to wait and get a pullback, I guess. Oh, man. What a crazy rip. Crazy rip at the open. Hey, Wilkes Trading, Classic Man, Dantaloy Dan. Good morning. M. Susan, Sam Owen. Good morning. Good morning. Alpine says he's done for the year after yesterday. Yeah, I saw. I'm sorry to hear. He'll be back. He'll be fine. I mean, what does he have? 300,000 in payouts this year? I think he's fine. Man, you know what? I totaled up. I don't want to, I guess this kind of spoils my end of the year review here, but I'm $4,620 away from having $300,000 in payouts this year. $4,620 away. Somehow, can we somehow get $4,600 before the end of the year? Actually, the one way I might be able to do it is my funding ticks accounts. I'm basically trying to blow my funding ticks accounts. Or I'm basically either I'm just going for $2,000 days or bust. I'm going for $2,000 days or bust on my funding ticks. I don't really care about them. If I blow them, I really don't care. If I can get a payout, obviously I will take it. If I get approved, I don't even know. Right now, guys, funding ticks, just do not use funding ticks. I cannot state that loud enough. Do not use funding ticks. Yeah, John. I do same. That is sometimes exactly the same. Why no funding ticks? Because they changed their rules and they made them retroactive. They're removing profits. It's bad. Funding ticks. I'm going to make a video. I'm trying to get the video, trying to make a video to warn everybody, but I'm not joking. Funding ticks is, I've got major red flags of rug pulls. It is not looking well. They made some crazy rule changes. Basically, you have to at least have, you have to hold your trades for at least a minute. Okay? You have to hold your trades for at least a minute. If you, any profits that come from trades under a minute are voided. And they will retroactively void your profits under a minute. It's just, yeah, I don't know. The retroactive changes. And then on top of that, the owners from funding ticks, I have tried my best to reach out to them and kind of, I don't know, just voice my displeasure and ask for some clarity on some things. They completely ghosting everybody. No, they're not responding. They're not responding to anyone. It's just a big old cluster mess. And I cannot, just if you currently have funding ticks accounts, obviously, my opinion, try to get them to a payout, okay? Make sure you hold your trades for at least a minute. You know, make sure you hold your trades for at least a minute, but then once you get a payout, take it and run. And if you blow an account or if you whatever, don't buy more accounts. I cannot say that loud enough. I'm upset at myself for ever promoting those douchebags. Lesson learned. Yeah, they're based in Dubai. I got to do a better job. That's hand up accountability. I am not promoting prop firms that are coming over from the Forex side, period. Oh man, come on, market. Really? It's going to be that kind of day. We're just going to, oh man, I was hoping we'd get a bigger pullback. No, don't go higher. I'm acting like Kellyanne. Well, I feel it's valid, Jenna. It's actually valid. You're being onboarded to live? Yeah, see, that's another scam, counterintuitive. There's so many things I don't like, and yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. Thank you, John, but I just I'm a little disappointed in myself that here's the problem. Well, I shouldn't, maybe I shouldn't say this, but I was being bombarded and pushed to promote them by some other influencers, and never again will I listen to other influencers trying to tell me who I should promote. Never again. Not going to happen. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. They're going to set me up with a Daytona account. Rad Poker. I do love the Tan Lines trading program. Yeah, Jenna, I agree. There are some things that happen that I can't. There are some things that happened beforehand that I'm not going to talk about, but I will say this though. I'm pretty disappointed in certain influencers, not to be named, on how silent that they are being regarding this funding tick stuff. They were the loudest, most promotions. They were promoting it, and the loudest of anyone promoting funding ticks just what, a month and a half ago? And now, when all this is going down, complete silence. Not a peep. Not a peep. That gets my attention. You know who I'm talking about. It is what it is. I'm not, whatever. I don't care. It's BS. It's not, that is unacceptable. All right, market. 500s are the most, 500s are going to be the important, number here. Becca. Like I said, it is what it is. It is what it is. I said what I said. I did not stutter either. I don't think I stuttered. When the market has 50-point moves in 1 minute daily, how is it even possible? It isn't, Jeremy Shaw. That's why I just wait, you know? All we can do is wait. We just got to wait and be patient, right? Let's see. Are we going to rip right through the 500s here? Yeah, Raganork, it's all very shady. This whole business between influencers and prop firms, especially when you take into account that the influencer earns far more money from affiliate than the average. Yeah, I mean, Raganork, there's parts of it that I'm starting to see that I really, really don't like. But I got to remember, man, look at this thing go. Come on, market. I got to remember, I can only control me. That's it. I can only control what I do. That's all I can control. And what other people do, it is what it is. I don't agree with it. I don't know what to say, but integrity for some people are very, very low on their list and on their agenda. Yeah, I mean, I never started my YouTube channel to become an influencer, but I'm also not naive enough to think, I know I am an influencer. I know I am. Do I want to be or not? I am. Who I use, who I trade with is going to influence people. And that's just the reality. And I think it's very important that I don't know, I take that very seriously. And I don't know, I'm not going, it does make a difference. I hate when people are just trying to say, you know, I don't know, whatever. I just wanted to share my journey to become the first former Amish pro golfer. Anderson 99. Exactly. We're trading under the trading under the influence is also different than being a trading influencer. Let's make sure we clarify that. Oh man. What is going on with this market? Seriously. Look at this. I mean, we didn't even pull back at the 500. Like, we didn't even pull back one bit. Oh, I hate when this happens. It's one of those days again. One of them days where we just rip right off the open. And if you don't get in on it right then and there, it's just too bad. You will just miss out. I just don't get it. This feels like it's going to be impossible to get a setup. Oh my goodness. By the way, guys, I'm not going to mention, there's a certain thing that happened yesterday. I'm not going to mention it. I'm going to see who finds it first. See if somebody notices something. Yeah, the 1 hour and the 4 hour. I mean, the 4 hour chart, actually, yeah. The 4 hour is officially, I mean, this is, the next area is the 650s. The next area of interest is going to be the 650s. We're just ripping through everything. No pullbacks whatsoever. Unbelievable. Why? Yes, Ragnar, let's go. I did a thing yesterday. I did do a thing. I decided yesterday, it was when this move happened here. So basically yesterday we had this, I had to make a decision, and I did right here when we had a triple bottom right here. I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to take my take profit trader accounts. I'm going to take one mini, and I'm going to see if we can't get a good trade on these accounts. And we did it. And you know what I did? I put the trade on when it broke the 240s. This is the setup that I've been kind of talking about. And it happened. It was a perfect setup. Prior support area. We had a nice move higher. We tried to go lower and we failed to make new highs. And my entry was above the 240. Basically, when we break this entry, and jumped in long there, and I was in a little bit of drawdown. Not going to lie, I was freaking out. But yeah, I put my target all the way up here at the 340s, 342s, 44s. And you know what I did? I put my trade on, and I literally went on a walk. I put my timer on, and I said, I'm not coming back to my office for at least 45 minutes. I didn't. Oh, it was great. It was great. But got to make sure I don't go too crazy. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Did I get a spray tan? No, I live in Florida, Matty Matt. Did I get a spray tan? Oh, that's too funny. Hey, good morning, Bella. Good to see you. Good to see you. You're too funny. Yes, we went with the deep bronze. Good morning, Tate. Captain Price, good morning. The $10 on Take Profit Trader this morning was just an accident. I traded and I forgot I had that account still on, so I quickly closed it. Hey, good morning, Tanush. I don't want to jinx anything right now, guys. Don't want to jinx anything, but so far the internet seems to be holding up okay. Let's not talk about it too much. Can you micro scalp on take profit trader? Is there a minimum point hold time? Not that I'm aware of, Jim. I don't think so. Oh, you said I did a thing. Oh, that's what you thought I did. Oh, man, you guys are too funny. You're so close to payout again? Oh, don't talk about it, Matty Matt. Don't jinx it. But you got this, okay? Honestly, when you're so close, I feel like sometimes if you're really close to a payout and you're feeling that you're entering what we call butt clenching territory, where every single trade you put on, you clench. There's a lot of clenching. If you're entering that territory, sometimes the best method, just don't trade for a couple days. Don't trade for a couple days until the clenching starts to fade. It is harder to trade the closer you get, Thoma. 100%. Even now, look at this guy. How can I show you guys this? My funding ticks accounts. Like, this is a perfect, actually here, I'm going to show you. This is a literally perfect example of trading. I'm not joking. Like, this just goes to show you how twisted that trading really is. Okay, hang on. I'll show you guys in a minute. So this whole funding... What the Sam Hill? I can't sign in? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Here we go. Okay, so here. This is a perfect example of what happens. So this is the funding ticks. I'm literally trying to blow up this account. Like, this is no lie. I am going full contracts, and it's either I blow up or I get $2,000 in a day. That's the two different scenarios we have. I don't want these accounts. I literally don't want them. And I can't lose. Can't lose. Look, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Just can't lose now, all of a sudden. But if I actually cared about these accounts, if I actually cared about the accounts, and I was $10 away from a payout, I couldn't get a winning trade to save my life. We all know this to be true. We all know, and somebody needs to do some serious studies. Some Yale University study needs to be done on why that is the case, because, I mean, I've said this before, and I've been trading now for, what, 4 years? 3.5, 4 years? And there's one thing that is like more true than anything. Like, one thing that is so true is the more that you care about a trade, the worse you will perform. The more important that a trade is, the worse you will perform. Like, somehow, some reason. If you don't care at all, that's the best way to trade. It's like 100%. If you don't care if you win or lose, like, you actually don't care, because there's also something about it. You can't trick your own mind, you know? If you really care, you know, you can't make yourself not care. It's impossible. your brain will your brain will know that you're just trying to trick your brain. It won't work. So I don't even know. I don't know how, somehow if we can figure out a way to make it so we really don't care anytime we trade, then it'll be easy. Too easy. Do I use multiple Rhythmic with Replicanto? I don't. Consistent trader. I have all Trade-Evade accounts. I passed my first eval this way. Let's go, Ash Pro. Let's go. Blue accounts left and right in October, all of a sudden 4 payouts in November because I was too exhausted to care. Exactly. That's when you will hit it. If you're struggling to get payouts, you just have to stop caring. I mean, that sounds cliche. I know that sounds like terrible advice, but it's true. Just don't care. Can you explain why people don't like going to live? It seems like it's usually an objectively better payout split. Not always, but yes, sometimes, Jay Fernando. The biggest reason I would say, usually there are different parameters. For example, I'm just going to use like I don't know, let's use a Top Step account, for example. If you have 5 XFAs, you have 5 XFAs and you have 5,000 or 4,500 in drawdown on each one, right? So that equals almost $25,000 in drawdown. When they put you in a live account, now you only have one account with $5,000 in drawdown. So your leverage is minimized significantly. That's one of the reasons. I went over on a consistent, had to lose 200, ended up making another. Yeah, exactly, Jeremy Shaw. Yep. Yeah, I saw that up north things are warming up. I saw 50 degrees that it was yesterday. Yeah, they add a daily loss limit in the live. Exactly. Have you heard of Apex sending anyone to live? Very few. I do know they do have a couple people live, but very few. Let's go, Gutenberg. Also, my daily payout with Take Profit Trader is already locked in. Gutenberg, let's go. That's an awesome, awesome way to end the Friday. Oh, man, congratulations. But, man, we are going to be waiting forever on a setup. Is Downstep working today? If I'm watching PW Trading on his boat, no, I'm not. You have an Apex question, trader, JVA? Go ahead. I'll try to help if I can. So then do firms ban you if you keep blowing accounts intentionally right before live? Jay Fernando, most firms will have a SIM-funded payout cap. So you really can only do that a couple times. And then you would be considered banned, yes. Oh, news at 10, sorry. Yes, sorry, Tay. Sorry, RXHX. Sorry, guys. News, man, are you serious? Are you serious? Stop going higher for once. Oh, my goodness. Wow, this is insane. I had a position open on my old contract. Now it expired. It opened. My position was frozen. Won't let me exit on Lucid. Oh, man. Rob Strawford. How? Man, I mean, how could you? I'm confused how you were able to hold that overnight. I'm not sure. You probably have to reach out to support. Santa Claus has finally arrived. That's right. The Santa Claus rally is here. Oh, Trader, the infamously banned. Unfortunately, Trader JBA, I can't. Yeah, I don't. I've tried to help. I've gotten nowhere regarding that. So yeah, I'm sorry. I mean, I do hear of people that are getting unbanned from Apex. I have heard of a couple. Basically, you reach out to the compliance department and you state your case, and I guess they will look at it. I don't know, but that's about as much as I can help. What is my strategy, Tony Tix? So I am waiting for a pullback. I mean, I want to see price above VWAP, which we clearly are. And then I just want to wait for a pullback into the 2-minute 21 EMA. And then my entry is above the previous candle. So I got to wait. I got to wait till we get a pullback. And right now it seems like that is just not happening. Here's what I'm afraid of. It seems like it could be a day like today where we're just going straight up, but then once it fizzles out, we just go straight down. I hope that's not the case, but we shall see. Seems like yesterday. Oh, John, do you remember all the Apex drama like 2 years ago, almost a year and a half ago? Oh my goodness. I was so mad a couple times at, dude, I mean, you know, John, my good buddy John at Apex, he almost banned me. He almost cut me off. He blocked me. He blocked my number at one point. I was so upset at him. But we've made up since. And I really like John now. He's actually a pretty funny guy. I text him all the time. He sent me a text. I sent him a text the other day. I probably shouldn't show you guys, but it was when the 90% off sale was, and it was Donald Trump in AI telling him to extend the sale. Yeah, we have a bromance now. But no, obviously, I definitely don't agree with everything Apex does. I'm giving John a really, really hard time about the eval bans. I keep telling him he needs to redo that and revisit, but you know, they don't listen to me. The trail. Yeah, John, we had a little butting of the heads. He definitely, it's definitely not how I would have done things, but what can you do? Come on, market, please pull back further. This is one of those times I am seriously tempted to take the 1 minute setup. Do I do it? Oh, man. I'm debating if I should go get Apex Pro. Oh, the 24 irons now instead of the Wilsons. Honestly, I don't feel like you can go wrong. Like, I think they're all very good irons. I think it comes down to what you like to see. Like, when you're standing over the ball, like, what is appealing? Like, it comes down to kind of personal preference. I don't think that it actually is that big of a deal. I don't know. What would be a possible entry? Well, I'm waiting. I mean, technically, we need to see a pullback down to the 500s. Technically, unless I cheat. If I cheat on my entry, I could. Man, I just. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to be a good boy and I'm not taking the 1 minute. We're going to wait. We're going to be patient. I'm probably going to regret. No, I'm not. I'm not going to regret it. We're going to be patient. Gotta be patient. You like to use the 14 and the 9 EMA plus the 2 minute chart. Super nice combo. Yeah, I mean, this here is a 9 EMA on the 2 minute. And then this is the 21. And then this line represents the 5 minute 21 EMA. But right now, the biggest struggle sometimes is when we have really strong trends. When we have really strong moves, it's just really, really difficult to get a trade. Like, a lot of times I feel like I'm missing out on momentum, and it causes some FOMO at times. All right, let's see if we get a bigger pullback here. Come on down, please. My 1 minute entry would technically be just a test of this EMA. So my entry here would be above basically the 564s. If I would take the 1 minute entry, my entry would be the 564s, but I don't take those entries for a reason. But man, when the trend is strong like this, I am very tempted. I know you guys have mentioned it, and I do kind of like the idea of tying, basically showing showing the ATR, and having the ATR. Actually, let me look at the ATR. Basically, the ATR would be, hello? Why? What are we doing here? How am I What? How am I supposed to? Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to grab this thing? I can't. My mouse won't fit. Help! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't move. What are we doing? Did I just add this accidentally? I don't. What's going on? Oh, I'm so tempted, honestly. I'm so tempted to take this. Ah. Oh man. Oh. If this thing rips higher, I'm going to have a hard time, boys. I'm going to have some serious FOMO if this rips. Please don't. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait, is that going on, John? Oh, please no. We're not having internet issues, are we? Please no. Windows and arrow key will move the active window. Oh, see? You guys are smart. Oh, the rerun. Yeah, we do need to take a holiday flight. I have been practicing my flying. I feel we're almost ready where I can take some passengers. All right, let's try to reset the window. What did you say? So you said the windows and arrow key. Oh, that just made it disappear, guys. What happened? Oh man, we're cooked. Chat. We're cooked, chat. Now, how do I do it? Okay, guys, I know I'm Amish. I only have an 8th grade education, but I know Alt F4 not happening, okay? If your mouse, okay, if your mouse or anything USB locks up, hit Control Alt Delete and it will, oh dear, please help me now. Windows key plus, I'm doing that, plus Windows key and down arrow. See, it just disappears. It. Oh, thank goodness we're getting a bigger pullback. Please keep coming down. Come on down. Please. I seriously don't know what I'm doing. When is the new house tour? I asked my wife if I can do a house tour. She shot it down pretty quickly, guys. She's like, I don't know. It doesn't look good, man. She's not a fan of, she thinks it's going to look too like we're showing off or something, which I don't like either. All right, what? Well, the problem is I can't reach the, like, where is this thing even going? There, like, I don't get it. How is that even possible? Feel like I might need to restart Ninja for it to hit Alt plus F4. Okay, stop with the Alt F4s. I ain't doing that. Watch out for the 13-year-olds. Chat may be my demise. I agree. Change screen resolution. Oh, well, that sounds like a nightmare. Yeah, MTV Cribs, Amish edition. Try Alt 67. Windows key and up arrow. Oh gosh. Okay, fine. I'll try that one. Okay. Windows up. Oh, I just had everything flash. I saw the white light, guys. I saw a white light. Don't go towards the light. I think we're cooked. I think we're cooked. I think it's over. Hold Alt, press F1 through F10 in sequence. Stand on your head, close one eye, and then hit enter. You guys are so helpful. You guys are so helpful. QuantGuard, hit the window in the bottom taskbar, right click and press move, and then press the down arrow. It will center it and allow you to move it. See, I trust QuantGuard. I feel like he might know what he's doing. Oh dear, uh-oh.
Order submitted.
Okay, I apologize if I'm going to cheat. I cheated.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh. Call the cops. Call the cops, guys. Call the cops. I cheated. No. No, I'm nervous. Oh, no. I can't watch. I can't watch. Okay, now I can do the Windows thing. I don't want to watch this. If I get stopped out, I deserve it. Okay, now you said find the window. Hang on. I don't like what I'm seeing. And here comes the cost of cheating. I'm afraid you're right. I promise, market, if you let me get out of this one, I will never do it again. I promise. I promise I'll never do it again. I promise I won't do it again. I'm serious. I promise I won't. Find the window at the bottom taskbar, right click it and press move. Okay. It doesn't let me do that. Yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked, chat. We're done. It's over. I mean, this has got to be some of the dumbest thing I've ever seen. I cannot move the window. Can't do it. Doesn't let me do it. Okay, I'm going to go on I'm so going to pay dearly for this mistake. I'm going to pay. I'm getting a headache. I'm getting a headache because of this. This is unfortunate. I deserve it. I deserve this to lose. I deserve it. It's fine. It's fine. I've accepted it. Of course, we can't go higher now. We just ripped 400 points, but we can't go up another 40. That makes sense. That makes sense. Maybe I'll try to unplug it and plug it back in. All right. Chat, I'm going to go on a walk. Yeah, we're cooked. Just, yep, just in time. Show me the pain. Man, we deserve that one. Watch this thing just go lower now. That's gonna frustrate me like crazy. I mean, if I get an entry here, I'm done. I'm taking it. I am taking it. Just because we messed up one time doesn't mean we don't take the next good setup. We're going to take the setup we should have taken. And we'll regret it later. But if we get an entry here, I'm going to take it. Send you a video on Discord? Oh, sorry about that, Miles. Okay, I got it. All right, sounds good. Thanks, Miles. Wow, look at this. We're just continuing lower now. I mean, let's see. We might get an entry here at the 457s, maybe. But wow. Big move lower here. Man, did we get trapped? We kissed the 50 days, so now she's either rejects or makes another push up. No design knob. Please tell me you are not trading silver. Please tell me you are not trading silver. Ugh. Man, do I take... Boo-hoo, boys. It's tempting. I'm worried that we don't get above these EMAs. That's what I'm worried about. I'm gonna wait till we actually have a test of that 5-minute 21 EMA. Yeah, see, this is what I'm afraid of once we start this. Just I want to see what happens here. Like right here, I don't hate the entry right here. Technically,
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order no. Order no.
I'm not sure if I want to try to. I'd love to get this thing and make new highs. I'm trying to debate if I want to. Am I okay risking? Basically, my stop should be right here. Am I okay? Because we could see this retest. We could at least see this retest the 500s. Like this is going to pull back into the 500s, I feel like. Do I want to risk it or not? And am I okay taking this loss if it happens? Let me Rip it. Come on, go. We really need this to get up through the 550s right here. Needs to get above that 550 mark. Come on. That's it. Go.
Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you.
Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too. Slowly but surely I'm losing my heart.
And I'm losing my heart to you.
Slowly but surely my dreams will come true.
If I spend my lifetime with you.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love.
Maybe I should take profit here. I'm seriously debating it. Oh, I feel like I'm going to regret it, but I need to go on a walk.
Slowly but surely I'm falling
I need to go on a walk so I don't micromanage.
in love with you. Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling in love with you.
I'm going to give this until this candle close. If I don't get filled, that's a sign I need to move my target up. That's how I'm going to look at it. We'll let the universe decide. If this candle closes and it don't get filled, it's going back up here. Okay, candle's about to close. If we don't get filled, I'm keeping this target where it is, and we're moving on. We're just gonna let it go. Oh dear, am I gonna get filled right at the close? Nope. Oh. Ah, dang. See, now I actually hate moving my stop here. I just can't do it. All right, guys, I'm going on a walk. I'm going on a walk. I'm setting my timer for 15 minutes. Okay? We are not touching this for 15 minutes. Okay? That's just how it is. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Ah. That's so annoying. So annoying. Well, this is the decision we made. This is the decision we made. But man, do I hate this market sometimes. Starting to feel like a good day to go golfing. Why did you guys should have made me take my profits. Why not just take my profits? I was so stupid. In hindsight, it was dumb. Especially considering it's triple witching Friday. That's... Oh... Yeah, I mean the break even, I don't know, I guess, but honestly, I was gonna take my profit up here before I move my stop to break even. Break even was never on the table. But I wish I would have just taken my profit. Should have just taken it. So dumb. Screw you, market. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out of here. So disappointing. Could have gotten out, been literally break even on the day. Instead, we're going to take a $300 some loss, man. Ah, it's so bad. Don't worry, guys. This is just teasing. Don't worry. It's gonna stop me out, guys. Don't even pretend. The market right now is just playing with its food. It's like a cat playing with the mouse before it gets eaten. There's no shot that I don't get stopped out here. No shot. No shot. No chance. No chance this goes higher. No chance. We all know it ain't happening. We all know this is the good old-fashioned hope and nope. That's all this is. It's just a hope and nope, guys. Don't get your hopes up. Don't get your hopes up. It's just a hope and nope scenario. It's playing with its food. The market playing with its food. Quite honestly, it's kind of rude. There's no shot. We all know. Don't even pretend, guys. This is going to rip lower and stop me out. This isn't even funny. It's a really funny joke, market. I get it. I get it. You want to make fun of me. I'm not buying. You ain't fooling me, market. You ain't fooling me. We ain't fooling me, boys. There it comes. Yeah, that was the old hope and nope. It's gonna rip lower and stop me out now. How close was I to getting stopped out here anyway? I want to know. I want to know. The low of this candle was 25,460. My stop loss is 25,459 and a quarter. We were 3 ticks away from getting stopped out, which it doesn't matter because this is going to come back down and stop me out. This is all just a big old ruse. This is nothing. Don't get excited, guys. This is going to stop me out. 100%. It's like 100% chance this is going to stop me. It's really not even, I'm not even watching it. I don't even care. I really don't even care what the market does because Matt said I would unsub. I unsub if it hits take profit. Yeah, this is totally gonna rip lower any second. Just wait for it. Don't get fooled. Don't get fooled, guys. This is a very funny joke. Very funny. It's a funny joke. That's all it is. It's a funny joke. Yeah, it's all just a big joke. This market just wants to rub it in. Rub it in, boys. This is what's going to happen. I'm going to call it out. I'm just going to predict what will happen. You guys are going to be amazed. We're going to go higher until we just barely tick green right here. We're just going to see a little bit of green, and then we're going to reverse down and stop me out. We all know this is going to happen, guys. Don't even at me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. It's very funny, market. Very funny. I ain't buying this. I ain't going to get fooled. I ain't getting fooled. Nuh-uh. I don't buy it. I ain't buying this for 1 second. There ain't no this. I mean, I will say, Mark, it's a pretty good attempt at humor. I will give the market this. I do find it funny. I do find it pretty funny. Very funny. It's very funny, market. Sick sense of humor. Sick sense of humor. So funny. Very funny. This is where it's going to do it. Watch. This is where it's going to do it. I need to go take a walk. Yeah, this is where we reverse. It's fine, guys. I don't care. I've already accepted this loss. We all know it's going to come right back down and stop me out. It's fine. I don't care. Go ahead. If you think for 1 second, that I went through all that pain and suffering to now take profit before my take profit, nah. If this market wants to be difficult, you're going to go and hit my target, okay? This is now personal. You want to fight? Let's fight. Let's see who wins. May the best man win. Good luck. May the best man win. I mean, market is so stupid. This market thinks I'm going to take profit at the 50s. Very funny. Very, very funny. I ain't touching my take profit. It's going to hit my target or else. Thought I was going to take profit. This market is so stupid. This market is so stupid. Thinks I'm going to take profit. Very funny. Exactly. His royal trades. Exactly. I've never seen a dumber market in my life. So dumb. I mean, you think I'm going to take profit now? Ha! Very funny. That's hilarious. Ha! Oh my goodness. Got him. We got him. We got him. We got him. We just got him. This market is so stupid. Got him. Oh, we just played that market like a fiddle. Played it like a fiddle. There was never a doubt, by the way. Never a doubt. now, now we do need the market to reverse here. I will look even dumber. Got him. Too easy. This trade was never in doubt. I mean, did we get 3 ticks close to getting stopped out? Yeah, maybe. But that was really never a doubt. That's got to be the craziest. That's got to be the craziest trade ever. Oh my goodness. Oh, that has got to be the craziest thing I've ever seen. Oh man. And this market thought I was going to take my profit. And then I did. Oh, look. Oh, this market's getting played like a fiddle. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. We do need to do a giveaway now. That was it. That was epic. Oh man. I got to make this into a clip or something. Never a doubt. Never a doubt, guys. Oh man, I can't believe it. You know what the funny thing is? So I went out and I took a walk, right? Well, I took the long way around the block, and about halfway, I decided, you know what? I'm going to check the market. I'm just going to check it. And I had fully expected, I was like, oh yeah, this thing is ripping. We're going to be up. We're going to be close to my profit target. I had all nice things planned. So I opened my app and I didn't have any service. I couldn't pull up my stream. I couldn't see it. Oh, my heart monitor. Oh, I should have had that. That's unfortunate. Yeah, it disconnected because I had my phone. Oh, man. Hang on. Let me get it up. This market is embarrassing. This market should be embarrassed. Should be embarrassed. Oh man, that was that was hilarious. Oh, that was so funny. But anyway, I didn't have any service, so I couldn't even see. I couldn't even see what the market was doing, and I thought, it's going to be fine. And then when I get home, I literally open stream, and I'm like, I look at it, I'm like, oh, are you kidding me? I was sure I had gotten stopped out already. So I was fully convinced of just taking the loss. And then I get in here, and we are three ticks. We were 3 ticks. 3 ticks from getting stopped out. The one time that we actually got lucky on our stop loss placement. The one time we actually got lucky. Oh, let's go. Oh, man. That was wild. I mean, that was wild. That was wild. Lots of love. Yes. I was playing tricks on NQ. Oh, it was too funny. We found a new way to NQ. You just got to talk trash. Talk your trash to NQ. She likes it. She likes it a little rough. Now tell us which trade copy you use for that trade. I'd love to. It's Replicando. Oh, now here's the only problem with what just happened. The only problem with what just happened is we all know this. Okay? You guys all know what I'm going to say, right? There's only one problem with what I just did. We can't take another trade today, okay? It's unfortunate, but I know the rules. And after talking that much trash to NQ, there's just no feasible way that we can take another trade. We are going to get absolutely spanked. Like, we will get taken out to the woodshed, bent over, and absolutely spanked if we take a trade. I know NQ does not take kindly to being made fun of. So we either have to trade silver. Well, wait. Oh, by the way, look at my silver trade, guys. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look. I'm a genius. Look. I'm only up $500,000. Don't worry. It's, screenshot this and show your friends. It's $500,000. Possibly simulated money. Possibly. It's just another confirmation that it doesn't matter if you don't care, you will win. See? This is another proof. This is more proof. It's too easy, guys. If I had $10 million, I could easily make $1 million a day if I didn't care. We should trade silver. I'm feeling risky. I'm feeling frisky. We should trade silver just for fun. Just for fun. Technically, this could almost be a setup here. We have officially gone off the rails. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I would never trade silver. Wink, wink. What idiot would trade silver with funded accounts? Oh, my goodness. What idiots. Wouldn't be me. NQ and silver are bros. No. We are so cooked right now. We are so cooked. I am not trading. I'm not touching this market today. After this, I promise you, I will not touch these markets. Because we're on the edge. We're like right on that edge. We're like hanging out over the edge. And one little wrong misstep, and we're just going to jump off. That's how close we are. We were very, very close to a tilt session. We're very, very close. And we definitely will not touch anything. But you know what we will do? Let's do a giveaway. That's right. Let's go. Exclamation mark NBT. Let's go. Oh man, I still cannot. I actually cannot believe that we did not get stopped out. Like, I actually can't believe it. Like, legitimately, if there was like when the price was right here, there was like a 99.99999% chance that we were going to get stopped out. We just defied, like, it was like winning the lottery almost. There was like no chance, and we got it. The one time that we actually hang on. I gotta do something. Hang on. I gotta do something here. Hang on, guys. I gotta make a post. All right. Okay, let me. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh man, I cannot believe. Oh, that was so crazy. That was crazy. Crazy. You know what? I gotta make sure. Oh snap. Well. Hey, pine tree. Mm. I still cannot believe. Yeah, same, Fred. Feel very fortunate to be able to be green. You know what it feels like? It feels exactly like, have you ever had a trade? Like this was a perfect example. I should have taken my profits. Down here, I was thinking to myself, I'm like, man, if only I could just rewind time and somehow go and take my profit. If only there was a way. And we got the opportunity. It feels like a second chance. And now I'm going to use Quant Guard and we're going to lock out of these accounts. We are not going to do anything stupid after this. Nope, not going to let it happen. Especially with it being expiration Friday. Now's a great time to just wrap it up. Wow, it is going to continue higher now the way it looks. All right, the giveaway, you can no longer enter the giveaway. Give me just a minute here and then we will do the giveaway. I just realized I don't have any, I should have checked this before I don't have any accounts to give away with Take Profit Trader, but I do have some Apex accounts. We're going to do an Apex giveaway. We're going to do an Apex giveaway. And we're going to do, okay, hang on. Trade. All right, hang on 1 minute, guys. 1 second. I'm just going to lock down. I'm going to lock out on all my accounts. There we go. All accounts. All accounts. We are locked. We can't touch it. Okay. We are marked safe. We are marked safe for the day. We are marked safe for the day. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's pick some names. Duck race game. Let's go. Man, it's warm in here. Oh, I'm starting to sweat. I'm getting all worked up. All right, here's the deal. We're going to do things a little bit different today. We're going to do things a little bit different. We're going to be doing an Apex giveaway. My accounts are also locked because they're oh no, design knob. Okay, we're going to do the top 3 ducks will get an Apex account, any size, and also the bottom 2. We're going to give away 5 Apex accounts. It's going to be the top 3 and the bottom 2, just for fun. Just for fun. So if you come in last, you'll get something this time. All right, here we go. Let's pick some names. All right, the first name, again, we're going to be picking 15 names. The top 3 and the last 2 will get an Apex account. Here we go. And then the first one, Schlanhund. What? Schlanhund. Schlanhund. All right. Next name, Barnacalfs. Barnacalfs. What do these names mean? All right. Next name. Here we go. Michael I8. Good luck to you, sir. All right. Next name is Waldo Van Horst. Waldo Van Horst. Van Hurst. I don't know. All right. Here we go. Next name, Zugfest. Let's go, Zugfest. Good luck to you, sir. Here we go. Next name, Top Trading Boss. Top Trading Boss. Again, guys, you can no longer enter the giveaway. Please stop spamming chat with NBT. Okay, thank you. All right, next name, The Dude 00. The Dude 00. All right, next name is SJP Trades. SJP Trades. Next name, The Toka 12. The Toka 12. Good luck to you, sir. Next name, Martin Jupp 23. Martin Jupp 23. And we got to get rid of 5 names. Here we go. Okay, next name is Leon. Leon P62. Leon P62. Hey! Golf Guy Mike. Golf Guy Mike is in the race. Let's go. All right, here we go. Next name, Karoba Moth. Karoba Moth, I guess. Carabo Moth. I don't know. I give up. Shupke. All right, next name, Mercy Trans. Mercy Trans. Good luck to you. Here we go. Next name is, final name, Sam Williams G. Sam Williams G. There you go. Those are your names. Here we go. Let's go to the full screen. There are all the names. Now we go 2-minute duck race. Here we go. And just for stay on the up and up with the auditors, we're going to shuffle one time. There you go. All right, boys. Are we ready? Are we ready? So, first, second, and third, and last place and second to last will win. Here we go. And they are off. Here we go, boys. And they're off. 2 minutes to go. We've got Barna out in front in the Dinosaur Duck. We've got Zugfest, a fan favorite, also taking the lead. Karobo, Sam Williams. It's a 4-way tie for first place. Then we've got the dude in the Strawberry Duck, SJP Trades. Top of your screen, we've got Mercy Trans. We've got Golf Guy Mike, a fan favorite, at the bottom of your screen. Here we go, Golf Guy Mike now trying to make a move. We've got Leon P62. He now takes a commanding full-length lead. Here comes Top Trading Boss, now making a move, and he's tied for first with a minute to go. We've got Barna trying to make a move. The Dinosaur Duck is moving fast. Here he comes. Barna now pulls ahead into the lead with 50 seconds to go. Golf Guy Mike is pacing himself, and he's looking very good. He's currently tied for third. The dude now takes the lead. Half a length of lead with 40 seconds to go. Here's Sam Williams. We've got Michael making a move. SJP at the top of your screen. Schlesihund now trying to get ahead. Michael takes the lead with 25 seconds to go. Here comes Donald Trump. SJP Trades now. Donald Trump Duck is trying to make a move. Here's Golf Guy Mike. Does he have what it takes? It's the time. Right now is the time to make a move. Mercy Trans. Here comes Donald Trump. 5 seconds to go. Who's going to make a move? Golf Guy Mike. Can he do it? Oh, there goes Leon P. and Scranchon. Oh, man. I don't know, man. I don't think we, Golf Guy Mike, I'm afraid. I'm not sure you made it, man. All right, let's audit this duck race now. Let's see what we come up with. All right, everything looks up on the up and the up. Here we go. Here is the final results are in. Here we go. And there it is. We have coming in 15th place, Waldo Van Horst. And in 14th place is the dude. Congratulations for sucking. You get a prize. Congratulations. And now, coming in at number 3 is Top Trading Boss. And coming in second place, Karobo Mothupi 9759. And coming in first place is Leon P 62. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. Well done. And let me get you the information on what I need. Just a minute. I'll type it in the chat here. Whoop. Hang on. Let me switch the. There we go. Okay. All right, guys, send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel. Make sure it's you, and I will get you the code for an Apex account. All right, congratulations to all the winners, and congratulations to the 2 losers. All right, there we go. All right, I'm very, very curious to see what this market is going to do going forward, or the rest of the day. I kind of expect this to go slowly higher, but yeah, I don't know. All I know is I'm just so glad that we didn't have, we were 3 ticks close to having a $300 and some red day. Instead of a $300 red day, we have a basically break even day, but you know, it's green. Green is green. So I feel great. I feel like I just cheated life or something. I feel great. All right, I'm going to, oh man, it is warm in here. I need to look at some better ventilation or something. I'm like sweating in here. Does Replicanto give me any issues? I mean, not really. No, I do like Replicanto. That's a pitiful display of a duck athlete if I've ever seen one. You were, I actually thought, Golf Guy Mike, I thought you were looking pretty good, but then you never made that final push at the end that you needed to do. I just need to calm down. That's probably the problem, John. I might go play some golf and calm down, if you know what I mean. Do I have a video for setting Replicanto that you use? I don't. Yes, I did, Captain Crunch. I did. Hey, let's go. Congratulations again to the winners and the 2 losers. All right, look at this. Now we're pulling back again. Man, I'm just so happy to be done trading for the day. I am so happy to be done. Look at this. Look at this. Look at silver. Silver is insane. Look. It's insane. Silver is crazy. I'm just going to forever hold this position. I'm going to see how much money we make if we never sell. I'm just never going to sell. I'm going to hold till eternity. Silver. I mean, is silver actually going to get... I mean, it's going to go to $70 an ounce? That is crazy. I actually bet... I think I have like close to... I don't even know how many ounces of silver, but I got quite a bit of silver. I'm seriously thinking... maybe I should sell it. Maybe I should sell it. Man, that's crazy. It just keeps going. There's actually some pretty insanely good setups on this silver, but it's... I mean, if you trade silver, just... you're going to have heart palpitations. It's insane. It's actually insane. Are you serious, Mr. 45? I see. Hey, take care, Captain Crunch. Okay, all right, guys. I'm going to call it. I am going to call it here, and we are going to walk away. It's Friday. We're not green by much, but this feels like a massive green day, even though it isn't. G. Brooks, how do you incorporate your heart rate? I use the Whoop app. So, wow. I'm sorry, Mr. 45. All right. I am streaming next week. I do plan to stream, not all week, but I plan to stream Monday and Tuesday. So we will be streaming Monday and Tuesday. Obviously, the 24th, 25th, and 26th. I don't think I'm going to be streaming on the 26th, but I will be streaming Monday and Tuesday. So we will be here. All right, take care, everybody. We will see you guys Monday. Take care and God bless.